Hello dear students, welcome to Vocal Hindustani Music for Grade 7. Today we will talk about Saptak and Alankaar. In fact, both are new terms for you, but during this lesson you will get acquainted to both terms. Let us have a look at the learning objectives of today's lesson. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to define the terms Saptak and Alankaar. You will also be able to differentiate between Saptak and Alankaar. You will be able to notate swaras of the free main Saptak. And lastly, you will be able to sing Alankaar with musical notes in different Saptaks. Now, an introduction to Saptak. Saptak is defined as a group or scale of the 7 musical notes, that is, Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha and Ni. When the higher Sa is added to the Saptak, it becomes an Ashtak, also known as octave. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni and Sa. There are 3 main Saptaks in Hindustani music. Please note that all the 12 notes are there in each Saptak. The first one is the Mandra Saptak, also called low scale. Notes of the Saptak are indicated by a dot below each note, as you can see below. Then you have the Madhya Saptak, also called middle scale. The notes in this Saptak do not have any dot, neither above nor below. And the third main Saptak is known as Tar Saptak, also called high scale. Notes of this Saptak have dots placed above. Now that you know about Saptak, let us discover together what is Alankaar. Alankaar is the term used in Hindustani music for musical exercise meant to train the voice. Alankaar should be practiced every day if you wish to be a good singer, just like you warm up and train yourself before playing football or for any other sport activities. We can compose many Alankars using these 8 notes: Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa, and we should practice them every day. Please note that an Alankar comprises of an Aroha, also called ascending order of notes, and of an Avroha, the descending order of notes. Just like it is written on your screen. Aroha, Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, pa dha ni sa and avroha sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Now, do you still remember about the staircase when we sang the 7 Shuddh Swaras in our previous lesson? Today, we will sing the 8 notes in both ascending and descending order. See on the diagram, it is a staircase going up and coming down with the 8 notes. Same like our previous lesson, we will use an electronic tanpura and we will tune it to pitch A sharp. Let us sing. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. We will do it once more. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. So, dear students, there are many more Alankars that we can compose and practice. For today, we have practiced only a basic one. In other lessons, you will get the opportunity to learn and practice more Alankar. Before ending today's lesson, let us have a quick recap of what we have learned today. So, you have been able to discover the 3 main Saptaks. You have been taught that Alankar is known as musical exercise comprising of an aroha and avroha meant to train the voice, and that it should be practiced every day if we want to have a good and sweet voice.
It is now time for a self-assessment. Have a look at your screen and answer the following questions.
That's all for today. Hope you have enjoyed your lesson. Thank you and goodbye.